to teach some mathematics. In this video, we are to find the sum of the reciprocal of the root of the equation 2023 on 2024 x plus 1 plus 1 over x is equal to 0. So the key word here, reciprocal of the root, the equation. We don't know the root of the equation, so we can represent the root by let the be p and q. And the question said we are to find the sum of the reciprocal of the root of the equation. So let's find the reciprocal. The reciprocals be 1 over p and then 1 over q. So sum be 1 over p plus 1 over q. And then, so let's simplify. The LCM is p q. P will be here, q plus p. So in effect, we are finding p plus q over pq. Now let's remember, if p and q are the roots, then p plus q is the sum of roots, and then pq will be the product of roots. So what we are going to do is to rearrange the equation, find the sum of root, then product of root, and then we divide. That's all that we are going to do. So the equation is 2023 over 2024 x plus 1 plus 1 over x is equal to 0. Let's multiply through by x, and when we do that, we are going to get 2023 over 2024 x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, if you compare it with the general quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you realize that a, which is the coefficient of x squared, will be 2023 over 2024, and then b is equal to 1, that is coefficient of x. Our c2 will be equal to 1. Okay, now we are looking for p plus q, which is the sum. This is the sum of root, and sum of root is equal to minus b over a. So from we have minus 1 over 2023 over 2024. Now when we simplify, we are going to get minus 2024 over. So let's find pq, which is the product of root. Pq is c over a. Now what is c? Our c is 1. So 1 over 2023 over 2024, and this is the same as 1 over 1 times 2024 over 2023. So we are getting 2024 over 2020. So therefore we have p plus q over pq would then be p plus q. We had minus 2024 divided by 2023, all divided by 2024 over 2023. When we simplify further, we are going to get minus 2024 over 2023 times. Then we flip the second fraction, which will be 2023 over 2024. This will cancel that, then this will cancel that, which is equal to minus 1. So the sum 1 over p plus 1 over q will then be equal to minus 1. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching us for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime we drop a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.